Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to color me and Mama's shoes. And we're going to use permanent markers. And the specialist thing about it, we're going to use sparkles. And we're going to use Mod Podge to put on them. These are permanent markers. You guys can have any color you want, but I'm using rainbow.
So today, Sadie and I are going to do a fun little DIY craft that you can do at home. We got some plain white shoes that we found at Walmart, and we're just gonna decorate these and make them super magical, right, Sadie?
Yeah.
And we have some permanent Sharpie markers. We have some Mod Podge, and we have some glitter. So we're gonna go crazy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I am going to do
Mermaids.
How did you know?
Because you like mermaids.
I do.
Really much. Tell me if you like unicorn kitties. They're like my favorite animal. Even they're not real, but they're like my favorite animal. Dinosaur shoes.
Alright, so we finished our little drawings. I have like little mermaid tail on one of mine, and some scales, and the mermaid tail on the other side. What did you do, Sadie?
So here's Dragonland, and the dragon right there. Guys, that's not what my other drawing is. I just want them to look cute. I do make the bodies. I just want their face to look really cute. And this, where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Right here's the kitty.
Alright, it is sparkle time. So we got some glossy Mod Podge, and we have matte. And we've got some glitter. I'm gonna go grab some more glitter actually. Alright, so I think what we're gonna do is you're gonna get like a little brush.
A brush.
So we have little brushes. And we're gonna dip it in the glue and put the glue down where we want the glitter to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna use every kind of glitter.
You should use that sparkly silver glitter. That's perfect for yours.
No, it's just, I have different ones.
Trust the process. Trust the process.
I have to wash my hands after. Look, tell me in the comments below if you like unicorns or dragons. Da da da.
Alright guys, so we just finished our shoes. We waited overnight for the glue to dry, and now they are done. We love them.
If you couldn't see my shoes, this is how they turned out. So, I'm a unicorn kitty. It's right there. He's on sparkles.
It looks so good.
It's raining sparkles.
I love them.
Me too, because did you know these sparkles in the end of my shoe are actually rainbow, but you don't really know? But because they're just shiny.